everybody, welcome back to YouTube. Okay, so today I am doing a favorites video, and the reason being is I held a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys what type of videos you wanted me to show you on my YouTube channel, and one of the frequently requested ones from that poll was a favorites video. I've never done a favorites video before, so if you have any feedback you'd like to give me, any recommendations after this video is done, just drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure on my next favorites video to include or incorporate whatever feedback you've given me. So for this month, I'm actually going to do a June favorites. I've never done a monthly, quarterly, anything type of favorites. So I'm just gonna do for the month of June, things I've ordered in June, received in June. What are my favorites from the month of June? So I'm looking at my table right now and there is a lot of Sparkle & Co products on there. So please do not judge me if you're like, you only love Sparkle & Co. No, honey, I love a lot of other companies, but Sparkle & Co has been knocking it out of the park this month, and there's a lot of her stuff on my table right now. So I'm excited to show you guys what I love. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to start with stamping. So I bought these plates off of eBay, but they come from EJIUBAS, I think that's how you say it, EJIUBAS.com. And the main reason I bought these plates is not because I wanted this many plates, but because I wanted the Frida design. Where did I put it? So there is this design right here of Frida Kahlo's head with her infamous eyebrows and flower headpiece. And I just really love her. If you know me, I have a ton of her artwork of her around my apartment. But who wouldn't love unicorns and some good tropical stuff that's all over this plate? And there's cactuses, there's raining moon, there's just a lot of fun stuff. Anyways, this came as a set on eBay for $9.99, and the main reason I bought it was because of Frida. However, the rest of the stuff on it is very cute and very versatile. So I love this. My next favorites are the July VIPs. I know it's my June's favorite video, but I received these in June. It would just do me a disservice to not talk about these because I already have them on my fingers. So they're both DP 157 and DP 158 by Sparkle & Co. That means as July VIPs, they're launching August 1st on their website, and they're absolutely stunning colors. I love DP 157 so much because I love the way that the light reflects against the opal. So it's a very periwinkle blue opal color with hints of yellow and green hitting when the light hits it. So what I did is on my nails, I put DP 157 as the first ombre color, and then I did DP 158 on top over it. DP 157, the way I ombrated did not give like a full coverage, which is exactly what I was going for. I wanted very subtle light to hit it, but I didn't want like a blend of blue and purple. So I did that. I also did DP 127 Indigo Wishes because I wanted a little bit of chunky blue glitter there. So I just love these two pairs, and I think they deserve, especially Sea Glass Opal, it deserves all the attention. So get yourself a mini of these two if you're really interested in blues and purples. They're just so gorgeous. I love them so much. And I don't like purple, so that's saying something. Alright, the next thing that I love is only because I'm only putting them in this video because I got them in June. It's funny because it's the end of June and I already have the other VIPs, but these were the VIPs that release July 1st. So they're June VIPs and they released July 1st for Sparkle & Co. And I love this combo. There's something about the shimmer or the glitter in these that they are just beautiful. And I don't like greens like that, but that lime is everything to me right now. So it makes such a cute combo, and I love that she called it Lost My Rind because you're just like, I'm getting all the watermelon vibes from this pair. So they're just an ideal pair to go together. I think they're great. America the Bluetiful. And the reason I love it so much is because it's a blue to white color changer. So if you saw it, just change the colors right there. From blue to white, it's a UV color changer. So if you go outside on the 4th of July, it'll be a beautiful change. I love it so freaking much. This is like my favorite color out of the 3 that came out for the 4th of July promotion. So this one is a must. If you can't get it on the buy sell trade because it's cute. I get the I Want It All bag and they are just everything. So here's the colors I got in my I Want It All bag in June. The bag theme was sunflowers and denim and 4th of July. A beautiful combo together because you get to hit on yellows, blues. I think with this theme she really capitalized on the blues. As you can tell, there's 4 blues in this bag. And then hints of yellow, right here, the yellows. And then she really went for the red, white, and blue, written in the stars. I love that dip powder. And obviously it was my birthday month in June, so I got Birthday Fierce. But I just really love this bag range. But I'm going to pick out the favorites that I had other than Birthday Fierce because that's like an automatic. I Want It All 3 is my top favorite in this sub bag. But I Want It All is a color that's only exclusive to those who purchase the I Want It All bag. So I love blue. It's my favorite color in the whole wide world. And this is a blue foil. It is absolutely stunning. I just love everything about this color. I love foil colors, so this one was just everything to me. My next favorite, and mainly because I put it on my manicure, I don't like yellows, but Pocket Full of Sunshine SG135, it's a gel, went amazing, in my opinion, for my sunflower manicure. And I also paired that with SB60, which is Peace, Love, and Sunflowers. I love this color. So I use this as the core of my sunflower, but I also used it as an ombre color. This color is absolutely stunning, and I'm not sure if you can see it capturing the light right now, but it is absolutely gorgeous, and I think this is going to be a fall favorite for a lot of ladies. And then my next and final favorite from the sub bag is Denim Fierce. It is a blue and silvery color, and when I saw this, I knew I wanted it on my nails, but I didn't want it to clash with SB60, so I didn't put this one on my nails for my sunflower manicure. So it's a really beautiful color. I went to Sparkle & Co. last weekend, and when I was looking at their inventory, there's one color on the shelf that absolutely stood out to me, and it is DP95 After Party. I'm not one to really take much of a look at the DP color line because I love the exclusiveness of the SB subscription bag line, but DP95 is super stunning and it is really a showstopper. It is a bright neon pink, and I don't see this color get mentioned a lot in the Sparkle & Co. Facebook group, so I don't know. I just love it so much. It stood out to me so much, I was like, hold on, I gotta buy this. So, got this one. One last thing about Sparkle & Co., okay? So, Sparkle & Co. came out with a brand new clear called DP90. It's always been called DP90, but they reformulated it, so it looks like there's absolutely no bubbles left in the color. So, I'm going to show you guys some swatches. I was super excited that they reformulated. So, obviously, the 6 ounce for $50. It's technically $40 if you're a sub-bag member because you get 20% off, is a great deal. The next things I got, obviously you guys know I love Revel Nail. I love all their products. They came out with 5 brand new glitters which have not been added to their permanent range yet. I think they're waiting to see how sales do before they actually do that. So these are my 2 favorites that came out. Opulent, and Chic. So Chic is a very subtle pink peach color in my opinion, and it has several sizes of glitter in it. So there's micro glitter, obviously the average size of hexagon glitter, and there's also what I consider to be like elongated, like thin rectangular shapes of glitter, which I think is a really cute combo for this color. My next favorite is Opulent, and you will see why so many ladies are in love with this color. I've seen it in the Revel Nail Facebook group. I've seen it, a lot of girls ask for it in the dip powder buy sell trade, and I know it's not screaming beautiful in the jar, but trust me, when it's applied, it's absolutely gorgeous. So if they do release these into the regular range, those are my 2 favorites out of the 5 that they released. Alright, so I think I really hit on everything that I received No, I didn't. I didn't. Oh my god. So I actually got decals in my Kitten Kaboodle subscription, and I usually don't talk about the decals because you don't see me wearing them a lot, but so a lot of people have been asking in all the groups for stamping plates for 4th of July. Sometimes decals are a better option in my opinion if you don't want to get stuck with a stamping plate for the rest of your life. So I really like that they came out with the USA. I love the font on this, the USA decal, and I love the stripes, so you can really just do whatever you want. You can go tall ways, short ways, and I love the golden stars. So I'm really trying to figure out how I'm going to incorporate this into a 4th of July manicure because I have no clue yet. But the food, you guys, who doesn't love food? Another color that I absolutely loved, and it's funny because my birthday is in June, so that means I am not only a Gemini, but my birthstone is a pearl. I mean, we technically have 2 birthstones, but an alexandrite is not really that cute in my opinion. So we have a pearl, and my sister's birthday is in May, and her birthstone is emeralds. So this one is Emerald Envy by DIPALICIOUS Nails, and oh my goodness, you guys, I love this color so much. It is green with blue glitter in it, and just subtle hints of blue all the way around in this color. And I love that it's not just a flat green. Like, the blue gives it dimension, and it's just absolutely stunning. And the two just pair really well together. Like, wouldn't that be cute where one of them was the accent, the other one was the primary color? It doesn't matter which way you do it, they both look super cute. So if you guys like emeralds and whites, I would hit these two up. So thank you again so much for watching that video. If there's anything that you loved from the month of June that you ordered and you want to share it with everybody, drop it in the comments below because I'd love to check out whatever you loved and possibly even buy it myself. So see you next time.